Okay, so black will be your tip here. Pretty easy to figure out. That goes in the in position. Red is your ring, if the camera will ever focus. Come on. There we go. Ring, that goes in the out position. If my fingers would work. Here we are. Okay. Now set that to the side. Look at the back of the Behringer. Unplug it from where I was actually using it before. And on the back you'll see 4 insert sockets, or plugs, or whatever you'd like to call them. Now, if you're going to use track 4 for your input, put it in track 4, back there. Whatever input you're going to be using, move the plug to that particular insert on the back. So if you're going to be using track 1, put it in insert 1, input 1, insert 1, right? Same goes for 2, 3, and 4 for tracks 2, 3, and 4. I'm sure larger mixers have more insert capability. And that's the easy part. As you're playing in, that compressor will kick in and you won't overload the system with all your awesome bass playing. Now for the hard part. We're going to disregard that cable entirely. And we're going to hunt up a couple of real short patch pedal cables. And begin again. There's yellow I'm using for the output. These are just little mono patch cables, pretty easy stuff. And I've got a black one around here somewhere. Here we go for the input. As you probably guessed, the input goes to your output and the output goes to your input, but it took me forever to figure out which input and which output. But if you check on the back of your Behringer, there'll be playback outputs, 4 of them. Now, I always use number 4. I'm sure there's a very good reason for that. Either that or I'm just a terrible creature of habit. So output number 4 with the black cable and input number 4 with the yellow cable. Now we'll have a look at the software side of things. Okay. So you're going to want to open you up a new track. Open your FX, search for REA Insert, REAINSERT, and double click on that. Once you've got that up, since I'm such a creature of habit, I always set everything to in 4 and out 4. We'll just swap all that stuff over right now. And that should be you good. So what I'm going to do is just import a little media here, some of my old junk, to show you that it is actually working. Adjust all your outboard stuff and your inputs to get those 2 levels there to be about even, or even a little louder if that's what you were shooting for. And that should do it.